When it comes to moving blankets, moving pads, warehouse pads, some of the common differences we'll go over here are sizing, weight, padding, stitching, type of material. Generally speaking in the industry, moving pads are 72 inches by 80 inches. They're measured by weight per dozen. And so starting on this end, we've got our economy blanket, which is a 43 pound per dozen blanket. Recycled cotton batting in all of these pads. As you get into the heavier weights, you'll get more padding in the center. So the dimensions don't change, but the extra padding adds to the weight per dozen. So we start with a 43 pound per dozen pad here with our saver. It's got a non-woven material on either side. The non-woven material is a great economical option, not quite as tear resistant as some of the woven designs we'll get into, but great economy option starting right here. Then we get into our mover blanket. The mover blanket, a little bit more padding, about 54 pounds per dozen. Similar construction to the saver with the zigzag stitching, which all the pads will have, the 2-inch double stitched hem. So some similarities as we go, but major differences in the padding and the type of material used on the outside. As we get into the Deluxe pad here, step up in weight again. We go to a 65 pound per dozen, so a little more padding, still a non-woven material on the shell. As we get into our mega blanket, still 72 by 80. This one's about 85 pounds per dozen, and it does have a woven polyester material on both sides. So a little bit more durability on the outer shell, a little more tear resistant, and again, more padding as we get thicker into more weight. Then we step up into our, what we would consider our best quality blanket. This is our Supreme blanket, 95 pounds per dozen. Still got the zigzag stitching. It does have a woven polyester on both sides, so extremely durable. This would be our top of the line blanket for most delicate items, reusability, things like that. 95 pounds per dozen.